Toshiba TV V31 Smart TV. Get connected instantly, stay immersed endlessly. Rex Engine HD optimized pictures quality beyond full HD capability for fantastic viewing. Essentially, PQ technology improves picture quality and detail, letting you get true to life pictures on the screen. Picture Optimizer optimize picture that brings real to life. Regs of power audio enjoy well balanced sound for more excitement. Dolby audio makes sound clear, rich, and more powerful. DTS HD DTS VisualX technology decodes high resolution streaming by streams with up to 7.1 channels of audio with additional support for Blu-ray disc and USB sources to deliver an immersive audio experience. Hello everyone, I hope you like my video. If you like my video, kindly subscribe my channel, and if you have any question, please comment in our comment section.